To obtain a lantern in the game, you must start on a specific island, known as Moosewood Island, as it is the only location where this item can be found. The process begins by ascending a ladder located near the spawn area and proceeding to the lighthouse at the opposite end of the island. There, you will encounter a non-playable character, NPC, called the Lantern Keeper, who is typically situated beside the lighthouse and can be identified by the halo above their head. This NPC has a unique way of speaking, as if they are an otherworldly entity. The Lantern Keeper sells players lanterns that serve as a light source and cosmetic item. It is worth noting that the Lantern Keeper is more easily found at night, as they may not spawn during the daytime. Once you locate the Lantern Keeper, you can purchase a lantern from them for 1,000 in-game coins. Each lantern purchased also gives you a slim 1 in 50 chance of receiving a rare fairy lantern. The primary function of the lanterns is to illuminate the surrounding area, making it easier to explore darker regions of the game.